Dear participants, dear friends, according to the ancient Greek tradition of hospitality, or philoxenia, we would now like to present you a few mouth-watering Greek traditional dishes. We do hope you enjoy this, and we do hope that you give it yourself a try.
Hello from Greece. I'm Elias Felis. Today we will produce a few traditional Greek recipes. We will start from the Greek salad, or else Koryatiki salata. This salad is known as a Greek farmer's breakfast or lunch. Let's go to the recipe. For our recipe we will need tomatoes, cucumber, green bell pepper, onion, fresh oregano, capper, Kalamata olives, capper leaves, dried oregano, and fleur de sel. And of course, olive oil. And let's not forget, the key ingredient of this recipe is feta cheese. Let's begin. We will start cut our vegetables. A great tip is that tomatoes need to be cut in thick cubes. The rest of vegetables are thinly chopped. Now let's set our salad. And let's go now to season the salad with a little bit of dry oregano, and we'll put some fleur de sel on the top, and finally we'll put the feta cheese that we will cut it in cubes. Now let's move on to the secret ingredient of many Greek traditional dishes, the Greek extra virgin olive oil. We will serve our salad with fresh baked sourdough bread. We will put it on it fresh extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of dry oregano, some fleur de sel, and at the end we will garnish with some fresh oregano. This is the proper way to create the original Greek salad. Now let's go to our next recipe, fried zucchini with the yogurt sauce. Fried zucchini. here are our ingredients. We have zucchinis, all-purpose flour, salt and pepper. And of course we have sunflower oil for frying. Let's start. We will cut our zucchinis in thin slices, approximately 4 millimeters. So now we have to put a little bit of salt because we want the zucchini to take out their water that they have inside, and we will let them about an hour to stand, so to take out all the water. Okay. And for the purpose of this video, we prepared this one. For now, the zucchini we cut already, we put the salt now, and after 1 hour we have this result. As you can see, the most of the water of the zucchinis has gone. Afterwards, we're gonna take a towel and we put it onto the zucchinis because we want to take out the moisture that they have. We will take a tray and we will put inside the all-purpose flour, and we are going to season it with salt and pepper. We are mixing all the things very well. And afterwards, we'll put inside the zucchinis. We coat the zucchinis with the flour very well. And we're ready to fry. So, let's put the zucchinis in the fry pan. Our heat has to be very high because we want our zucchinis to be crunchy. And we are stirring occasionally. After 5 minutes, we can see that our zucchini have a gold color and they are ready. So we take them out on the paper because we want to take out the oil that they had on it. We take them out and we strain them in the paper towel. While the zucchinis are straining, we are going to prepare the yogurt sauce to accompany them. We're going to need yogurt, a little bit of lemon juice, salt, pepper, and chopped fresh mint. We're gonna take some leaves and we're gonna chop them. Okay, we put it inside and I'm gonna mix all together. We're stirring very well, so all our ingredients to be mixed. And we're ready to set our plate. So, we put the sauce in a small bowl. And we'll garnish with the mint leaves. And then we'll put the zucchinis on the platter. And for the end, a little bit for the fleur de sel. And we're ready. Thank you very much. Καλή όρεξη!
Dear friends, it's time now to discover one of the best kept secrets of Greek summer, frappe coffee. Let's have a look and see the ingredients that are required for this refreshment, which of course is also called the Greek energy drink. So we'll need some instant coffee, we'll need some brown sugar, of course this is optional. If you're on a diet, you drink it without sugar, obviously. We'll also need skimmed milk, ice cold water, and ice. Now let's see how the refreshment is made. We need a shaker in which we will place about 1/3 of ice cold water. Next, we'll add 2 rich spoonfuls of instant coffee. I'll add just a bit of sugar. I'm on a diet, you see. And I think we're about ready for phase 1. We close the shaker, and this is a fun part. We start shaking like there's no tomorrow. We shake, we shake, we shake. What we want to achieve here is to get the best, the thickest foam possible. So we'll do this for a few more seconds. There we are. I'm laying the shaker down and I'm preparing my glass. I'm adding 4 or 5 ice cubes, hopefully. There we are. And now it's time to see what we've done. Yeah, there we are. That's excellent. So we let the foam get into the glass. And next, if you're into dairy products along with your coffee, you can add just a bit of milk. So we're nearly ready now, and we need a sustainable, recyclable straw, which is this one, and paradise is here. It's not bad actually. Cheers and have a great summer.